What an honor to be able to take this kind of recipe and riff on it and try and take it in a new direction. My name's Paul Jones and I'm the managing director and co-founder and owner of Cloudwater. Cloudwater is based in Manchester. Manchester's got the longest history of innovating in hoppy beer in the UK. So what we brought to Manchester and then the rest of the UK was a lot of one-offs. So we really kept innovation at the heart of the brewery. The thing that I'm most proud of is putting the UK's modern beer scene firmly on a global map. We met DJ at Gab's last year in Sydney. Had a wonderful time drinking their beer, hanging out. The beer's delicious. It looks sexy as f***. If it wasn't for collaboration and getting to know people that are also like driving ideas and trying things out and experimenting, I think this industry would be a super, super dull place. You know, having the opportunity to step into mountain culture space for a couple of days and kind of tune into the vibe, I'm all up for that. We're doing a souped up version of this. We're going to dial in something that is reminiscent of this beer, but also like takes the elements that folk know and love in this and kind of amp it up a little bit. What an honor to be able to take this kind of recipe and riff on it and try and take it in a new direction. You know, I'm excited to see what the results are.